Yo, what's good, family? So what we gonna be doing, we doing a live breakdown. You already know the drill. And we're gonna be going over a buy signal that I just sent to the signal chat just a couple minutes ago. Let me hurry up and show y'all before my phone die. Boom. Alright, so right now, it's a buy on GJ. It's the buy that I'm showing y'all right now. Alright. So we're going for a total of 190 pips for a risk of 50 pips. We're gonna have a couple TPs throughout this movement. So let's break this down. So it's the 4-hour time frame. Obviously you can see this is a beautiful transition, beautiful shift that's happening right now within price. You see nice lower high points, nice level of resistance up in here that was going on. And you start to see this shift up with some bullish pressure, bullish momentum that started to develop within this whole area. Higher low points, holding support, boom, new higher high, and that was the shift. So right here is where I just waited patiently for everything to build up. And as you can see, we had a nice little area with some rejections up in here. If I go to the 1 hour, it's super clean. But the biggest thing that stood out was this level of support that started to build here and all of this exhaustion. Look at all this exhaustion, y'all. Nothing but sellers exhaustion, strong rejections at this level. So there's a very strong level of support, that blue zone that I have there. As I go down to the 1 hour time frame, everything becomes a bit more clear. And you can see clean price action, which shows us the clear shift that happened. And it's just a simple break and retest like I show y'all over and over and over. I catch these setups for the past years, bro. Past 4.5 years, over and over and over. Boom, lower high point, break, new high where this yellow circle is located. Boom, push up, down, retesting a couple times to potentially push up to the upside to hit our TP at the negative 27%, which is the final TP for this move for us. So remember, this is a 4-hour fib, so this could take quite some time, right? It's 190 pips, but it looks pretty smooth, very clean and strong bullish candle that's coming off of this level, and we just shooting up in profit right now. So this is where we at, but it's just a simple break and retest, bro. ABC, so simple, bro. Like, this is what I teach, and it's what I take for the past couple years. These type of setups are very goated, and like, bro, this type of content and what I'm showing y'all right now, usually I would keep this within the course, you feel me, and keep this within the community, but I'm giving it to everybody. I'm putting y'all on. So trust me, bro, this right here, when you see this type of pattern, you're gonna learn this. You probably pretty much gonna learn the way I traded, my whole strategy throughout watching these live videos. This is goated, A+ setup when you see this. All right, so as we get down to 30-minute time frame, boom, nice entry confirmation right here, super clean, bullish engulfing, nice sellers exhaustion to the bottom side, clean candle, bro, and we just shooting up in profit. So this is what we're looking at right now with GJ, and again, a 1 to 3.76 risk reward opportunity, so almost a 1 to 4 risk reward. Very clean, and I ain't gonna lie, this is an A+ setup again, bro. So that's pretty much it. So I hope this was clear. I hope this was super easy to understand. And other than that, I'm gonna update y'all on the second part of this video to see exactly how this plays out. Peace and love to everybody. I'm out of here, man. Yo, what's good, family? So as I told y'all, we'll be doing a trade recap, going over this signal that I sent to the signal group. That was yesterday. I'm recording it today, the next day, big deal. So what I did was I used a replay tool so that way we can skim this down right back to where we were. Price was literally like a pip or half a pip away from TP. So we ended up closing the trade right up in there. As we got right up there, I ended up closing the trade. So 190 pip gain secured. Huge move, crazy setup, 1 to 3.76 risk reward opportunity for a risk of 50 pips. So what we left off was the market had retested this level right up in here. This is where we entered off of a 30-minute bullish engulfing, as I have here highlighted. Cool. So the market shot up into profit, and what happened was we end up coming back down, forming a higher low point. As we formed this higher low point, we were in a slight bit of drawdown. Big deal, nothing crazy. And the market ended up giving another entry confirmation, which could have been another entry right up in here, giving y'all some sauce, extra bullish variation right there, 1 2 3 candle. So this was another entry confirmation. Also, what did it reject? The moving average, just a 30-minute moving average. Powerful, okay? So keep that in mind. So 2 entries really was right there. I only entered here and I left this alone. I'm on some set and forget type shit like Alex G. So at that point, the market shot right back up into profit, and from there we were just smooth selling. Now, if I really wanted to be extra, I could have analyzed this and said, okay, cool, we can get down to these lower time frames and start finding some more scaling entries. But at this point, I had lotted up pretty heavy on this one, to be honest. and also being that it's December and it's the time of the year, I always trade December. Well, last year I didn't, to be honest. Last year I didn't trade December. I'll be real with y'all. But as I was not trading, I was analyzing, and the market was doing just like this and giving beautiful moves. I said, next year I am not doing that shit again, and here I am. So I could have took another entry opportunity right up in here off this retest. We would have probably hit an entry here, let's say off this bullish engulfing with that nice candle right there. That's something also I teach. That bullish candle, if you know, you know. Yep, and 30 would have been a nice bullish engulfing as well. So the entry was really right there. That would have been a perfect entry for this retest right there. Cool. So at the end of the day, the market shot right up into profit, and we were able to secure the bag on a 190 pip gain. But overall, man, this was a super clean setup, A+ setup, and the market is just flowing into, you know, into the TP area throughout that time. So I just want to make this recap now just so y'all see the final result of this setup. But it was super nice. And other than that, man, I just want to wish profit amongst you all, more knowledge, more blessings, more life. I'm out of here. Peace and love to everybody, man. I love y'all. Thank you for the support. And please, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on this video and the rest of my videos. Go watch these videos. I'm giving out the sauce. I'm giving out the game of what I do. And I'm also sharing the love with my Discord community. So if you're not in the Discord community, go ahead and hit that link in the bio. You'll see it there in my description, in the bio, whatever you want to call it. It'll show you. And you want to go ahead and join the VIP Discord community or the free Discord community. Either way, I'm giving value. I'm dropping game within all of those channels. The VIP Discord community is for the Signal group. I got a lot of different traders in there that's within the VIP Discord community that's also reaping the benefits, of course, of taking the trades that I send. So if you all are interested, you all can definitely try it out. And also, if you watch this video and you hear me say this, I will give whoever from my YouTube subscribers, YouTube viewers, a free trial for a week if you wanted to join the VIP to get a feel and see how things work. Let me know. It's going to go ahead and leave that within this video. So the only way you would have known that unless you watch the videos and actually finish this video. But other than that, man, I love y'all. Peace and love to everybody. I'm out of here, man. Let's get it.